Yes, it sure is for some, and some of you are actually getting a whole lot of sunshine right now, which is what we anticipated for the latter part of this afternoon. Let's first focus on where we're seeing some of the heaviest showers, though. Up and down along I-5, Aurora down to Woodburn, and then you head over to Malino and Molalla, and that's where we're seeing those heavy showers kind of hanging tight right there down to Mount Angel. So pockets of heavier showers coming through. We did have a couple of lightning strikes about an hour ago closer to Salem. A possibility we could see more of those yet this evening, so keep that in mind. Here's Lincoln City. Look at that. Plenty of sunshine. Now, this area of low pressure that we're dealing with is slowly transitioning out to the east. As it does so, we will see some of these sun breaks. That doesn't mean that we're completely done with the rain just yet. That's not really until late tonight and tomorrow morning. 57 right now out towards Lincoln City. And then we go from the beach to the snow. That's right, Mount Hood Meadows. Temperature of 38. About 10 minutes ago, it was snowing pretty good right here. Now, temperature a little bit on the warm side for us at 5,000 feet. Certainly cold enough to see the snow fall, but to get it to actually stick and look nice, not happening just yet. You have to go up a little bit higher to about 6,000 feet for that. Current conditions here in Portland, we have 54 degrees. Rain on and off. Wind pretty light at the moment out of the northeast at about 3 miles per hour. Your sunset time tonight, 8:34. How much rain have we collected since midnight? Not too bad, about 2/10 of an inch. Vancouver, a little bit less than that for us in Portland. Salem has now picked up 3/10 of an inch. Look at Newport's total. This is a pretty good number. This is just for the day, almost 8/10 of an inch. Now, if we could transfer some of that rain a little bit further inland, that would be nice to measure. Look out towards Pendleton and the Dalles. We even picked up a few hundredths of an inch. Baker City coming in at almost 2/10. So tonight we will continue with these showers on and off. Your temperature not changing too dramatically. About 55 by 9 o'clock. We get to 11 o'clock, we're at 54. And then things kind of start to dry out really as we roll into tomorrow morning. So by 8 o'clock, I expect will be mostly cloudy, 52. For the afternoon, kind of a mix of partly cloudy to mostly cloudy temperatures, eventually getting close to 70 degrees by 5 o'clock and 7 o'clock, still partly cloudy. So tomorrow is our dry day. Saturday morning is our dry morning, but Saturday afternoon is the time in which we will see this next band of rain come through. Now, this one is actually tapping into a little bit of a subtropical air mass from a distance. So actually, Saturday into Sunday could be more significant in terms of the amount of rainfall we could potentially collect. This goes on through Sunday afternoon, Sunday night. We're still dealing with this area of low pressure, and it won't be really a break until we get to Monday. Be sure to go to KOIN.com/weather-kids to get the latest on our weather lessons. In fact, one of those lessons is all about raindrops. Okay, so for the weekend, rainy, but at least you have Saturday morning to get out and about. Temperatures in the upper 60s.
Thanks.